Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno knows here one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors, pure things are galang. Pure things are going in a social media. Seriously, for the past week, life for Mary has been nothing but constant grief and turmoil as the 18-year-old mourns the accidental death of her 4-month-old daughter last Friday. I just hear this in my wisdom warriors. I never know say baby John in water bucket. I never know that, my wisdom warriors. So how no tell me about it? You can imagine a mother leave a bucket of water next to the bed and the baby roll off and drop in it. I do not know if you think. I do not know if you say, you have to go help me out with that 1 year. You definitely have to go help me out with that 1 year. Seriously. Something really wrong with the mother or what? How can you leave a bucket next to the bed? That makes sense? That don't make no sense. My wisdom warrior, seriously, that don't make no sense whatsoever. Unless you're not in her right mind. Seriously, me can't believe. The people them a cuss her, The people them a cuss her because the people them can't understand how comes a bucket full of water there next to the baby. What should they go do? Bathe the baby? In a bucket full of water? It still not make no sense right there, so. Because you can't use a bucket of water for bathe baby. That's number one. Baby don't need so much water for bathing. You understand me? So my wisdom warriors, we have to dissect this first. We have to dissect this and then we elaborate on it. Tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Let me show you some of the comments where the people them write. So this person commented, no sir, Jamaica is not a real place. What kind of madness and makeup story? I don't care who one vex, but if it's not the mama John the baby, it's someone else. No baby at 4 months is this active already. Damn lie. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Tell me if you don't agree with her. Because this lady has said this is madness, basically. And must the mother John the baby or somebody else do it. What do you think? Another individual say, I feel this story is a lie. She drowned that baby. Listen, and me say so. I'm just reading out the comments. You understand? Another person said, no, sir. As she killed the baby. Then I say, I drop the baby, drop off of the bed, kiss me teeth. See, a lot of people don't agree with her. Because how can you have a bucket of water next to a bed? Me not get it. I know so my wisdom warriors, I do not know. I really don't know. Hear more. This person said, why the bucket never in at the bathroom and not the room? I'm confused here. Before I read, I knew it had to be a young person. This is what happens when kids have children. Rest in peace to the poor baby, and I pray for comfort to the young mother. So you can see, say, Flo Edwards 2020, she kind of have a little sympathy towards the mother because she has said, I hope the mother find comfort. All right, for me, my wisdom warriors, a whole heap of careless young girl they bought. Listen, me tell you already, me not come fi pet and powder nobody. I got just chat facts. And you know say, anything when me chat is just raw. Me not pretty up nothing. Enough careless mama they are road. I have enough young girl too, they don't know how to look after baby. Because guess what? You have some people who say, all right then, me go put the bucket, yes sir, for do this. Because remember say, the baby now roll, Remember say the baby now roll in a fear head. Remember, listen, you have baby roll at 4 months, You have baby roll at 4 months, even 3 months. You have baby we roll. But my wisdom warriors, me can't understand why. It just not add up. What is that bucket of water doing next to the bed? Why? Was it a little small room? There wasn't any bathroom, no kitchen, nothing. It was just a little. Me still not get it. Me not understand. Me not understand my wisdom warriors. Something not right about it. Something just not add up. Uno have to help me out with this one, my wisdom warrior. Seriously, that one I hard for dissect. Me want understand, seriously. Me want understand. Because me know say I have enough like a young girl, we have baby, and they don't really know. You understand? But me no know. Me I try dissect it, but me want understand her and what should go wrong, but me can't understand it. You get me? But me no see no other news media run with it. That's one next thing. Me never see no other news media with it. None at all. I just want to say rest in peace to that baby, and my condolence goes out to the family. Young ladies, let me tell you something. You see, if you don't understand something, try and get some help. Try your best and get some help, because a lot of young girls don't know what to do. They don't know what the first thing to do. You understand? When they find themselves pregnant, they don't know what to do, my wisdom warrior. Seriously. Because you know what, I can't go really bash her too much. Maybe I want like a hot. Maybe, me not even know if you think. I remember say burial come and gone now, You understand? Now everybody want like want water. So maybe she just have a water there. Me no know, me just a say, Lord Jesus, no, nobody can trace me. Me just a say. We have to think out of the box, Maybe she catch water, because remember say water not really there about, So she just full up her bucket them of water, and then just there in the house, in the little room. Me no know me, just a see a little room. Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors. But me just can't understand why the water with the bucket after the next to where the baby there. Me no know. The first of all, from you go put on your baby, and you see say the water there. So the first thing you look around, danger. Come on, man. Come on. The young lady is 18 years old. She's 18 years old. You understand? So she quite young. My wisdom warriors. I do not know if you think. I do not know if you say, but this just not add up. I want to try to understand her, but I can't understand. So I just want to know if you just help me out there, alright? I want to storm up the comment section. Anyway, hear this. Mayor of Sentence Bay, Councillor Michael Belnavi, says service providers are to blame for the lack of adequate communication being faced amid hurricane recovery efforts in Sentence. Belnavis was responding to comments made by residents in Limehall who told the Gleaner that they have not received any formal communication from their service providers or political representatives. The resident complaints stem from a lack of electricity, running water, and internet connectivity. So my wisdom warrior, when see say all the mayor of Sentence Bay come out. Yesterday the mayor of Port Maria run out. Now the mayor of Sentence Bay run out. The people they don't have water. The people they don't have no signal. The people they don't have no electricity. The people they fed up. The people them stressed. There is too much going on. Too much going on. And you always up and down like headless chicken. What they fi attend to, they not attend to. Want to Matthew Samuda. What he ma do? The people they need water. Listen, you see this water problem, I want to know, so this water problem start from last year, December. This is a water problem and it just start now through burial. People never have water before burial come. So on the things that people are going to get water after burial gone. See burial gone and all now. Some of them still not get food. Some of them now no clothes. Want to see how the people them house mash down. Want to see clothes wash away, food stuff wash away, every blasted thing wash away, appliance wash away, everything. Seriously. And me no see everybody are come together and go round and a different thing them a talk about. Different thing. Crime. And you want us to talk about reducing crime or crime are reduced. And them there's something that Andrew want us to talk about. Andrew Wallace no business with nothing. And number one, Andrew Wallace should have step down. Andrew Wallace go on like say I still live him life the same way, like everything is okay. Andrew Wallace not to be prime minister. Andrew Wallace is under ongoing investigation. He need to step away. And I believe the Governor General will come out and say something about this. And the Governor General will come out and say nothing. So what he might do? More than like to know, what does the Governor General do for Jamaica? What him do? Him see say one piece of chaos. And he come out and try to squash nothing. He not say nothing. So me not understand the Governor General. Me not come off of him case, Cause him cock up and he allow Andrew Wallace to get away with everything. every blasted thing, come out and utter a word. All when them a tell lie palm Mark Golding. See it then now, we start again. It start again. Nobody not say nothing. Boy, Jamaica gone to the dogs. Jamaica gone to the dogs. I don't know when the people them are going to see. I don't know. It come like the people they not care, yeah, man. And just I say, I'm not busy with nothing. I just live my life. I must so. But if you not really so long, I say, I just live my life. Wait till Andrew one let's go to Jamaica and a republic. Because me have to say it like that, my wisdom warriors. Because if the people they not get up and show no effort, what me fi say? If people they not get up and fight, so what me fi say? Jano, it rough. It really, really rough. It really rough. I mean, I see nobody attempt to do nothing. Nobody. Then just make Andrew Holness a trample up and down. Andrew Holness should have step aside. Andrew Holness feel lift up from out of Parliament. He's not credible. He's not honorable. He's not a man of good governance. He's none of those. A matter of fact, I'm tired for telling you, say, Andrew Holness never signed the code of conduct. He gone sign some agreement for letting the Batman business in Jamaica and transgender business. That's all him good for. And them just sit there him sign, When it come to money, he sign. But when he sign the code of conduct, him not sign that because you know why? Jamaican people no mean nothing to him. And that's why I'm not signing. And not only him, none in Jamaica Labour Liard Party, they not sign it either. It is really sad. It is really, really sad. My wisdom warriors, I remember when I post a video and I talk about Juliet Holness. How Juliet Holness cancel committee meetings without letting some of the PNP MP them know. No, she come out now. Well, it is actually in the article, so come and read it from the article. The House of Parliament has sought to clarify that its Speaker, Juliet Holness, did not issue a directive for the cancellation of several parliamentary committee meetings this week. Mistress Holness was chided on the matter by opposition members during Wednesday's sitting of the Public Appropriations Committee. PAAC Chairman Michael Phillips said an initial email was sent to members advising of the cancellation of the committee's meeting. You see, when me tell you about Andrew Holness, Juliet Holness, the whole of them are lied. The whole of them are lied, my wisdom warriors. The whole of them. She canceled the meeting them. That is what she do because she head of Parliament. She canceled the meeting of them. And so because the people them know, I expose it and I talk about it, she come say she never cancel no meeting. And the people then receive email of it. How this a woman is a lie? The whole of them are one set of lied. What type of people them we have in our Parliament? No wonder why they don't want to sign the code of conduct. No wonder why they cannot even sign it, my wisdom warriors. They wicked and bad, Them people are terrible. We can't have somebody like this in a Parliament. And she head of Parliament, Juliet Holness, she wicked and evilous. Sorry to say, but she is. She give direct message for meeting the cancel. And then she come out and say nothing go like that. So how the people then receive email? Are you have to give them the go ahead for cancel the meeting, Juliet? Nobody not tell no lie upon you. How am I gonna stay, sir? So Jamaican people feel just rise up and run on out of Jamaica. Uno must think say, I just out of Parliament alone, uno forget run away from. Uno forget run away out of Jamaica. Uno too lie and wicked, man. Uno too lie and wicked. You know my wisdom warriors. Me say when me say this, me have to come show on this year. Uno can't imagine. What hey, they lie, So the husband, so the wife. My box cover. Michael Phillip noted that a subsequent email indicated that the meeting could go ahead as planned. Wednesday meeting proceeded with Mr. Phillips and two members who form a quorum as outlined in the standing orders. Committee member Fix Jackson said the House Speaker overstepped her authority. My wisdom warriors, this a woman here does love to abuse power. This a woman here, so she stay. She a going like she above the law. She's going in like she's above the law. Anytime Anytime you see this towel turn tablecloth, I saw them behave. Anytime I saw size 13 behave. You can't imagine? My wisdom warriors, don't tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. You can also reach me on WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.